Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Jaguar F-Pace 35 Prestige. So obviously, I'm sure everybody is aware of Jaguar's rebranding. And to be honest, I really don't know how they're going to survive. But we come to forget that these cars existed. Like, these were really, really good cars, and they still are, and they're absolute bargains. This car is really kind of retail wise around 17 grand with 66,000 miles. These things are absolute bargains for what you get and the driving experience that they provide, mainly because people are scared of reliability, rightfully so due to some Jaguar issues in the past. But these are much more reliable than Jaguars of the past, while still being absolutely fantastic to drive, especially with the 35 motor. That supercharged V6 is just, oh, it's perfect. Yeah, this is one of, I've always been a Jaguar fan, absolutely love them, and this is 100%. Just that sound. The sound of that V6, it's out of an SUV. It's one of the best soundtracks from an SUV, sub-performance SUV. Like, the F-Pace SVR is wild. And that still is one of my favorite soundtracks. Jaguar has made some fantastic cars over the years. Think of the F-Type and the bargain that that is on the secondhand market. Wow, that's wild. That's just good. And this isn't even the S. So you had the S and then the SVR. This is basically your mid-level range. Actually, no, that would be the S. This is just below mid-level. And I love the fact that Jaguar supercharged their engines instead of turbocharging. Everybody resorts to turbocharging when it comes time to do forced induction. The supercharger whine that you can hear very subtly, I doubt it's going to come across on camera, just adds to that character of this car. And I get comments all the time like, oh, what do you mean by character? I mean, the car just feels alive. It feels playful. You know, it has that feeling that it wants to go fast, it wants to play, it wants to have fun, you know, and it encourages stuff like that. ZF 8-speed tuning in this is phenomenal. And the thing is with supercharging, you don't lose the engine sound. Turbos can very, very much alter the sound of an engine. What on earth is that Mini Cooper? It can absolutely change the sound of an engine, oftentimes not for the better. Supercharging, because it requires engine power to spin, it actually puts more load on the engine, sometimes making them even louder. This thing just drives. Ooh, that heated steering wheel's getting warm. It just drives so well. I am absolutely positively blown away by this. It's so good. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.